to change the power to change the world. With 45 fully automated production lines on MES Smart Manufacturing System applications for product performance testing and validation. We specialize in delivering relay and solenoid valve-centric solutions across industries including industrial control, new energy, smart home, smart grid, automotive. Precision quality assurance through comprehensive product testing analysis equipment, high precision sensor applications, and simulation experiments. Ensuring design rationality verification during both RD and quality inspection phases. As a professional electronic components manufacturer, Meishuo remains committed to delivering customer-centric solutions. Established in February 2007, established long-term partnerships with MIDEA Group in Hilla, laid foundation for relay specialization. Implemented digital transformation and automated production upgrades, built smart factory, obtained ULT UV Witness Laboratory certification. Recognized as National Little Giant Enterprise by MIT, achieved VDO AB certification, completed IPO on Zhejiang in June 2023. 2023 present, expansion phase, deepening digital process transformation, expanding RD investment, and entering emerging industries overseas markets. Global presence trusted by 3,000 clients worldwide. Built customer-centric process-oriented organization with specialized RD processes, bidirectional quality traceability system, and comprehensive digital transformation. Achieved dual improvements in operational efficiency and effectiveness, harnessing young creativity for innovative solutions, delivering superiors and leading industry trends through complete in-house RD processes from concept to production. Developing proprietary core technologies. Empowering the future with technology. Meishuo technology creates digital benchmarks with zero-defect philosophy. We cordially invite you to collaborate for a brighter future. Creating value through professional expertise.